Introduce yourself in English.
Hello.
Hi.
My name is Laura, and you?
I'm Tom. How are you doing, Laura?
I'm doing well. How are you?
I'm fine. Thank you.
All right. Where are you from?
I am American. I live in Boston. And you?
I'm from New York. Boston is wonderful.
I agree. Thank you for your positive opinion.
What do you do in life?
I am currently studying tourism. And you?
Great. I am pursuing marketing.
Wow. That sounds so exciting.
Yeah, I love it.
What about your hobbies?
In my free time, I regularly paint. How about you?
I'm passionate about playing video games.
It's lovely to meet you, Tom.
It's a pleasure for me, too.
Sorry, I have to get moving. Have a good day.
Enjoy your day, Laura.
Talk to you later.
Take care.